To figure out how many moles of an element there are in a given compound, we have to basically look at the ratios. So we know that there's one piece of aluminum, and there's 3 pieces of chlorine. That's our conversion factor. For every 1 piece of aluminum, there's 1 piece of chlorine. I'm sorry, 3 pieces of chlorine in AlCl3, aluminum chloride. So the way that we figure that out is we do what we've been doing, which is to create a fraction. 7.5. We take what we're given, 7.5 moles of AlCl3 over 1. And we put that in parentheses. And we want to get rid, we know that there's 1 mole of Al for every 3 moles of Cl in AlCl3. So we want to get rid of the moles of AlCl3. So the way that we can do that is to take our conversion factor, and we know that there are 1 mole of Al for every 1 mole of AlCl3. So the moles of AlCl3 cancel, and that gives us 7.5. I multiplied 7.5 times the 1 mole of Al over 1. So our answer is 7.5 moles of Al. So then we can look at number 3. And we take what we're given, we put that in parentheses and turn it into a fraction. 1.75 moles of CH4 over 1. Put that in parentheses. We know that there's 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen, so our conversion factor then is however many atoms there are in the CH4. So we're going to basically put 4 moles of H over 1 mole of CH4. So then the moles of CH4 cancel. So then that gives us 4 times 1.75, which equals 7 moles of hydrogen. 7 moles of hydrogen, because that's our only units that are left. That times 1.75 gives us 7 moles of hydrogen. Make sure that you show your work. I'm going to do 1 mole. Let's do number 7. So how many moles of carbon atoms are in 4.65 moles of C6H12O6? Again, we set it up as a fraction. 4.65 moles of glucose, C6H12O6. We put that over 1. Put that in parentheses. So then we know that there are 6 moles of carbon for every 1 mole of C6H12O6. So we're going to take, how many is it, 4.65, and we're going to take our six moles of carbon for every 1 mole of C6H12O6. Put that in parentheses, cancel the moles of C6H12O6. That leaves us 4.65 times 6, which equals 27.9. That's supposed to be a 9. 27.9 moles, because those are the only units that are left, is the moles of carbon. Moles of carbon. And that's how you solve for moles per compound.